everyone, welcome to my channel. I've been wanting to buy the gallery oil pastels for a while, but I thought maybe I'm not ready for more professional ones or that I need to gain more experience with the Pentel pastels. But after a lot of thinking, I decided to just get them, and today I'm really excited because they finally arrived, so I'm going to try them out for the first time and see if it's worth it or not. The first thing I saw from this set is the colors that are just amazing to look at. Also, they don't smell like plastic or anything bad at all like some oil pastels do. One thing that caught my attention was the size of the pastels. They are so chunky that I really like, but they are quite different from the Pentel pastels that I used before. I had a problem with the Pentel ones being too thin and breaking easily, but the gallery pastels don't have this issue at all because of their size. Even though they are chunky, they rest really well in hands and they just don't bother at all. When I started this piece, I noticed that the pastels are very soft and creamy, which was pretty nice because the problem with blending was just completely gone. I could blend them and make any different colors that I want in my artwork, but they require a little precision to prevent colors from mixing too much. Since I haven't become used to all the colors yet, I practically used various combinations for this piece that I think I should have tested them before, but anyways, gradually I got to know the colors way better. When I was painting the face, I really enjoyed how beautiful the colors were, and it's because this set has a very wide range of pink and red colors, so it gives a perfect effect and is very easy to blend. I didn't have to use white as much as I did before, which was a really big problem when I worked with pencil pastels. Here I used a cotton bud to blend certain parts of the face since my fingers were a little too big for blending this area. The cotton bud is a great option, but shouldn't apply too much pressure because it might lift the color off the paper. The red colors are also really creamy and perfect. I thoroughly enjoyed using them for painting the lips and also the clothing area. The brown pastel that I used a lot is the Code 235, and it's surprisingly creamier than some of the colors. Apparently some colors are more or less creamy and some of them are more pigmented than the other ones. It was fascinating to see how easily the gallery pastels could blend and fade. When I started fading the hair with the cotton bud, I realized how it could give a special touch to the painting and create a unique technique. For this piece, I tried to use most of the colors to see the overall quality of the pastels. I also used a variety of colors for highlighting the hair. As usual, I used a white pencil to create a texture for the hair area. Using the gallery pastels can be a little challenging for creating very little details because of their creamy and soft texture. But I believe they would be perfectly suitable for any larger painting. But since my reference was small, I had to work more on the details. One of the many good things of the gallery pastels for me was that I could use my fingers to blend the colors together, and it didn't cause any smudging or muddiness in my artwork. The colors blended really well with each other and it was pretty nice. Usually with pencil pastels, I would spend a lot of time just feeling in the background because the pastels were quite hard and I had to apply a lot of pressure to cover the surface. It was just challenging, so I would avoid choosing detailed backgrounds. But this time I really enjoyed creating the background because there was no need to apply any pressure to the pastels and I could use different colors side by side. Another thing that I realized was that these pastels have significantly fewer crumbs. When I used Pentel, I always had to pick up the crumbs from my paper, but with Gallery, this problem is much less than before. The gallery pastels have a great range of green colors, unlike other pastels I've used which had dull greens that needed to be mixed with other colors to enhance their appearance. The greens in the gallery pastels were vibrant and excellent on their own. There was no need to be mixed with any other colors. Overall, the experience of using the gallery pastels was pretty enjoyable and very effortless. I hope you find this video useful and I really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. See you in the next video.